Let's look at an equation that is said to be in slope-intercept form. Y equals 6x plus 4. Well, slope-intercept form is any equation that's the form y equals mx plus b. And that's helpful because the m represents the slope. So as you can see, if you compare the two equations, the m in this case is 6. So we could say the slope in this equation is 6. Similarly, the b represents the y-intercept. So if you compare this form to the equation and you simply look at what's in the position of the b, it's 4. Therefore, the y-intercept is 4. The b is 4.